The North Dakota Department of Transportation strives to be innovative. So when the thought of adding a high-tech traffic counting system was proposed, the department jumped at the opportunity. The NDDOT partnered with OptiSense, a United Kingdom-based company, to install the new traffic counting system on a stretch of I-29 through Fargo. The new system monitors from 7th Avenue North to 19th Avenue North in Fargo and is the first of its kind in North America. This is the company's fourth installation of this type in the world. Traffic counting is essential in helping the NDDOT plan, design, and manage North Dakota's roadways.
A traditional way of counting traffic is putting road tube along the roadway, attaching it to a traffic counter, and keeping it out for around 24 to 48 hours depending on the study. The road tubes work by the wheels hitting the tubes. It registers the car by registering an air pulse.
The OptiSense traffic counting system is much different.
So it's a fiber optic acoustic sensing system. Essentially what we're doing is connecting to a single mode fiber optic cable which has been installed on both sides of the road, and we're turning that cable into an array of acoustic sensors. So essentially we monitor every 10-meter section of the cable is treated as an independent acoustic sensor, and from that we're able to gather information on the traffic, traffic speed, traffic flow, volume, things like that.
The fiber optic cable installed alongside and under the roadway is connected to a computer system that an engineer, working remotely, monitors through real-time graphs. This data is then used to provide a detailed picture of traffic flow and numbers.
You can see congestion when it builds up, what time of day, where. You can do traffic counts with the system. And I think there's tremendous opportunities in the future, to look at things like, ground temperature, in situ measurement of ground temperature, maybe looking at degradation of pavements by, using sensors embedded in the pavement to see what's happening over time. Same thing with bridges. So I think, we're probably limited only by our imagination of what the uses of the system are.
The continuous tracking of traffic may also potentially help alleviate traffic incidents in the future, as the information gathered could be input onto the dynamic messaging boards along the highway, alerting the traveling public of upcoming hazards or slows in traffic. The overall potential of a system like this motivates the department to move forward in taking on new advances in technology.
We invested in the system because, for one, it's innovative. It's one of the few installations of its type in the entire world. Instead of a point where one counts cars using road tube, we can count it continuously. We can take an infinite number of slices in Fargo on I-29, and we can tell you the count of cars or their speed at any point. We can tell you exactly what's going on in real time.
The North Dakota Department of Transportation is excited to be a front-runner in this pioneering technology and looks forward to seeing where it can take our state.